So tomorrow's the big day for Nvidia, guys. Finally, we're getting their earnings. So let's break down the charts, what I'm doing, other AI stocks I'm watching, and overall where my head's at with Nvidia, as I do own the stock, and the stock is starting to creep up here in the pre-market the day before earnings. So guys, hit the like button, make sure to subscribe, join my Patreon if you want to keep up with my portfolio updates, my trades, investments. If you want to be a part of my private Discord, all that's linked down below, pinned in the comments, or go to stocks-surfest.com/Patreon. And with that being said, guys, cheers, take a sip of your coffee, and let's dive into it. So we're about 10 minutes away from open the day before Nvidia's earnings when I'm making this video, and we're starting to creep up. And you guys know Nvidia stock has sold off a little bit heading into earnings, which we haven't done before the last couple of quarters at least, right? You can see over the last 5 days, Nvidia's been, well, in a straight downtrend. On the 30-minute chart, you're noticing the same thing. We hit 228 back on the 17th of August, and just a week later, right? 1 week later, we got down to 207. So we lost $20 a share on Nvidia, or about 9%. It almost got into correction territory yesterday heading into earnings, which again, the last couple of quarters, we haven't done that. If we look at the 4-hour chart, if I zoom in a bit here, we can see last time they reported, the stock hit all-time highs at over 240 just days before the print. And yeah, it sold off a little bit into earnings, a tiny bit, but not this aggressively like we're seeing right here. And then 2 quarters ago, this stock hit a fresh high. I don't know if it was an all-time high at the time, but it hit 203. We ripped all the way from 170 to 203 into the print. Earnings came out, and then boom, and Nvidia tanked all the way down to 170, 175. So what I'm trying to get at here, guys, is this go around, we're already shaking out weak hands. We're seeing the selling pressure kick in before earnings, which honestly could be setting us up beautifully if Nvidia crushes earnings and crushes guidance, which a lot of people think they will. I think they're going to do well, guys, but is it well enough, or will they do well enough to get the stock price moving again after being down 9% into the print? I think obviously the chances are higher now that it's sold off for it to rebound than, let's say, if it didn't sell off, we were at all-time highs, we were overbought into earnings, then we'd be setting up for potentially a sell-off, especially if earnings disappointed a little bit or maybe too much was priced in. So I much rather be in the position we're in now on the stock into earnings than being, well overbought, too much priced in. I think there's more room for error if there's, if we've already, no, there is more room for error if it's priced to perfection, right? But now that we've shaken out the weak hands, how much lower could this go? I got comments saying Nvidia is going to go to 180 after earnings. The China risk is massive right now. I just don't see it. I think maybe if it does go down, maybe 200, maybe 195, worst. I don't want to say worst case scenario, but as long as we maintain, I would say, 195 to 200, even if it pulled back, as long as we hold 195, 200, the bulls are going to be okay. They're going to be just okay. Considering 195, 200, that was support, the last couple of months, and it was resistance back in the beginning of this year. So on the charts, if Nvidia broke through 190, that would not be good, I must say. But we're not there yet. That's a whole nother $20 below where we are. So let's not get ahead of ourselves, right? Let's not psych ourselves out here. And as of now, there is a little gap here that could fill to the downside, but that's if really the earnings disappoint. If the earnings disappoint, okay, Nvidia, maybe it fills this gap down to 200, 195, maybe. But I just don't think we're going to do that unless they disappoint, which I don't think that's going to happen. I think they're going to report great numbers, solid guidance, and ultimately, look, we're at a higher low here. We're maintaining this trend. We're fighting. The bulls are fighting. They're trying to, at least. So keep your eyes, honestly, guys, on the 180 moving average on this 4-hour chart, right at about 212. 212 needs to break today. If 212 can break, 213 breaks, the bulls could have some relief. Maybe bulls go back towards, the mid 200s, or not mid 200s, mid 210s, right? We'll see, but it all comes down to earnings. And guys, I'm not a big fan of gambling on earnings, buying calls, buying puts, so I'm just holding on to my long-term position through earnings, like a lot of you guys are probably doing as well. And we're holding long-term. At the end of the day, companies, stocks, right? Stock prices, they follow fundamentals long-term. Free cash flow, gross margins, growth, earnings, compounding. That's what these stocks follow. So that's where we're at. We're down about 9% from highs heading into earnings, and a lot of people are like, "Oh, Nvidia's been stuck." I made a video on this yesterday on my short form content. You guys probably see a lot of my short form content. It gets way more views than my long form content, but either way, we were talking about how Nvidia is not necessarily stuck, quote unquote. I mean, people might think that because people are so short-term minded. Nvidia is a $5.3 trillion company, guys, and it's not really stuck. I mean, we spent a couple months being stuck between 165 to about 195, and then we broke out. Do you guys not remember? We were just in the mid 200s. How is that stuck to me? To you, it's not to me. How is it to you? It went up 50% in the span of 50 days. Then it pulled back. Now it's been consolidating for a couple months. Okay, maybe it's stuck, quote unquote. It's not. It's just consolidating. This stock is up 15 to 16% year to date. We're doing pretty well year to date. What more do you want out of this company? It's like it's not going to go up 50% every single year of the stock, considering how big of a company it is, how much it's already gone up. So it's not stuck, it's just consolidating, and we're getting ready for that next leg up. This is how it works when companies have grown to this size. So watch out for it to, again, maintain $200. I think we're going to hold that support. If it goes under 190, like I said earlier, 195, 190, it could slip, it could get uglier, but that's going to be a problem for the broad AI space if that happens. If Nvidia, the top dog, goes from 211 under 190, like some people are saying, we're going to have more problems on our hands with other stocks. AMD, for example, the memory names, you name it. Micron's already down to 910. I mean, it hit 1200 a couple months ago. SanDisk got squashed. It's trying to come back. But if Nvidia stock really falls down like some people think, I don't think that. But if some people think that, and if it does, these other positions, stocks, names, whatever you want to call them, they're going to get hit too. That's the reality. I just don't see that really happening, at least right now. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments. I'm curious. I'm going to wrap it up here. No need to go on and on and on. Keep it short, sweet, and to the point. And we'll cover Nvidia after their earnings now, most likely. So what do you guys think? Hit the like button. Let me know your thoughts. Join the Patreon if you want to keep up with my portfolio updates, my trades, investments. If you want to be a part of my private Discord, all that's linked down below in the comments and the bio, or go to stasurfs.com/Patreon. And with that being said, I'll see you guys in the next video.